So today's day 4, we have to discuss for the tomorrow's day. At the same time, we are talking about the day 3, what we have done today. So being obedient is very important, and we have seen like the child is obedient in the family. We like everybody appreciate that child. So that day we spend today, the day of acceptance. So by that we send the message to the universe, like we are just like a obedient children. We are very like good children of the family, and you are our supreme father, and whatever we are getting from you, we are getting to accept it as it is. So that was the thing we try to be for 24 hours. And it is important also, because when we know that uh, we know that like the god always want to send this message to us. And from the day one we know that like there is a balance of the expectations and acceptance. God never says like you should be sit idle and just do the meditation and just be say, okay, I'm going to accept everything, so I'm not going to put my efforts. Never. God never says that. If you will see our uh, ritual books also, religious books also, if you will see the Bhagavad Gita, always the God says that do your work and don't worry about your fruits will come to you or not. So what is that meaning actually? So make a balance of acceptance and expectation. The whole workshop, like for the 5 days, our motive is being accepting everything. At the same time we are vibrating on our expectations. So we everybody has the different experience of today, and we will discuss after completing briefing of the session of tomorrow. We will discuss what was your experience of all the day of the present day acceptance. Now come to for day 4, what we have to do tomorrow. Till now, if you will see what we have done, we have accepted our past, we have accepted our assets, we have accepted our relationship, our health, our family, our everything, whatever is given to us, we have accepted. Then we have accepted our present day also. Like it's a like mixed day, but we liked that way. Whatever coming to us, we are considering as just the blessing of the universe. Now what left? So left is the future. So tomorrow is the day of the future. How you are going to accept the future. So this is again a beautiful day tomorrow, when you will accept the things. Whatever is going to come to you, you will not worry about that. You will not fearful about that. You will not take a stress for that. You will accept it just like a blessing. So future has so many blessings for you, so many blessings for everyone. As we saw in our past, so many blessings were there. In the present, so many blessings were there. Now definitely based on the like, as we are used to do the theorem in our mathematics or in our physics when we were a like science student in our childhood. So what do you used to see that like this is true for 1, this is true for n, this is true for n plus 1, hence proof this is true for everyone. So similar way, use this concept. Like if my past has blessings, if my present has blessings, definitely my future have blessings for me. So universe is going to give me the blessings in the future. Only I have to be an obedient child of my universe. If I am going to accept my universe, if I am going to accept all the things given by the universe just like a blessing, definitely we will able to find out the blessings. So both the things are there in this world only. Complaints are here and the blessings are here. This is our choice. Either we are taking the complaints or we are taking a blessing. A simple one person have both the characteristics. One person have positivity also, and the negativity also. This is your cup of tea, what you like to drink. What is your taste? Where you want to connect with that person? Do you want to do the frequency or the energy exchange of the negativity? This is very much available. It will more available than the positivity. For positivity, you need to little dig down. But the negativity, you don't need to dig down. You will get so many ready-made material available around you, which you can use it and which you can feel comfortable and happy for some time, but end of the day your energy will go to drained. You are not going to happy, you are not going to connect with the universe. If you really want to get the blessing of the universe and make your life wonderful and happy, so try to find out the positive in the circumstances. Whatever good left with me, God is very great. God never left you alone with only with the complaints. God always give you the balance. Only you have to make it. The other thing is God has given the weighing scale in our hand. Now this is our confidence. This is our strength. How we are making the balance of our blessings and complaints. If we are holding it with full faith and hope in the universe, definitely blessings will the winner. So that is the all about for tomorrow's session. Tomorrow what we have to do, let me brief that. We have to say to universe 3 times during the day, I am going to accept everything what you are going to give me in the future. I have full acceptance of my future. I am really thankful to give me the wonderful future. I am accepting all the events, all the people, everything of my life of the future. There is an acceptance in my whole life. I am your child. I know, I trust on you. You will always give best for me. You will find best for me. Just believe on that. Be on the universe side. Everything universe will take care of you. Okay. So this is all about. Thank you. Let me close the session now.